You want to know what your homeowner's policy actually means? Let's be honest. If you were asked to explain to somebody what your homeowner's insurance actually covers, could you do it? Most people can't, and that's a problem. Hi, I'm Jamie Blair, and I'm an expert in the Florida insurance industry. I've been doing this for over 20 years, and in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you. So by the end, you'll know exactly how your homeowner's policy protects you, your family, your house, and your wallet. Here's what's really inside your policy. There's dwelling coverage. This protects your house itself. Other structures, anything that's detached from your home. An example, sheds, fences, or detached garages. Personal property, take your house, flip it upside down, everything that falls out. For example, clothes, furniture, electronics. Make sure you have pictures of everything in the event of a loss. Loss of use. If you can't live in your house after a covered claim, this pays for things like a hotel and or food. Liability. This is big. If someone gets hurt on your property and sues you, this protects you. Medical payments. Smaller medical bills for guests who get hurt at your home without needing a lawsuit. Deductibles. This is what you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. In Florida, that usually includes a separate hurricane and or wind deductible. The other deductible is called an AOP. So let's give some real life examples. Let's play this out. Let's say a storm comes in and tears part of your house off. Rain pours in and you can't stay there until it's fixed. The dwelling pays for the roof repair. The personal property replaces the furniture and the electronics that got ruined. And then the loss of use covers your hotel and your meals while the work is being done. If a contractor slips and falls on your porch during cleanup, liability will protect you. Most policies. And medical payments can cover smaller medical bills right away. Cost versus coverage. There is a lot of people that don't realize that sometimes spending just a few extra dollars a month gives you way more protection. For example, doubling your liability coverage or adding an endorsement like water sewer backup can save you tens of thousands of dollars later. Cheap isn't always the best. Having the right coverage is what really matters when something happens, because it don't matter until it matters, right? So here's the bottom line. Your homeowner's policy does more than just cover the actual dwelling itself. It protects your property, your family, and your future. Knowing what's in your policy gives you a peace of mind. Now, if this was helpful, please make sure that you subscribe, connect, follow, or like whatever button you see on the platform that you're watching this. Do that and you'll keep getting more tips just like this. And remember, don't be stingy. If you know somebody that needs to hear this video, go ahead and hit that share button, hit that link button, send it over to them. So remember, I'm Jamie Blair, and I hope to protect you the wise way.